How to recover Free Fire account without email. To recover your Free Fire account without email, first of all, you must either bypass the email constraint using the Garena's built-in game recovery engine or regain control of the linked social media account like Facebook using your phone number or account username. So what you can do is use the in-game account recovery tool. Simply launch the application first of all, then tap on the account recovery button located on the left side of the login page. Read the brief manual instructions and tap go to, then enter your backup recovery email address to request a secure OTP verification code. Now provide the code and verify your UID and player name. Simply link your profile to new Google or Facebook account. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.